Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 17 public beta 4 is ready to enroll in your iOS devices. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 17 public beta on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch the Safari browser, and in Google we have to search for developer.apple.com. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website, and we have to scroll almost in the middle. We have to see iOS 17. Now tap on iOS 17. Here you can see, and what we have to do, we have to tap on download in top right corner. After tapping on download, on the next page we have a iOS 17 beta 4. Here we need to enroll your iOS device with your Apple ID and password. I already enrolled, so that's why this page is not showing or not asking for Apple ID and password. Here you can see for devices running iOS 16.3 and earlier, download and install iOS 17 configuration profile. We have to tap on iOS 17 configuration profile. The pop-up window will appear, and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. Now close and minimize the Safari browser. Launch settings. Here you see profile downloaded. Now tap on install in top right corner. We also need iPhone passcode. Tap install. If you want to restart your iPhone, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now. Now tap done. Go back, force close all the apps that are running in the background. Settings, connect to Wi-Fi, general, and tap soft update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS 17 beta version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.